Do you want to know how to find a job? Are you new to this industry? Have you just passed out from a college? Are you going through campus placements? If any one of this fits into you, then you're at the right place because today's video is about how to get a new job. Dear friends, I'm Nutan and I'm a career coach. I've been into this industry for around 8 years. I've helped various level of people to get a promotion, to get a new job, to move into a new company, to transit into a very different industry. And all my clients have really got 100% results in their job. That is the reason I'm wanting to help you who are coming here on my channel to learn how to get a job, how to be a great employee, and various other tricks to become a great employee in the corporate world. Today I would like to share how to get a new job. So dear friends, if you want to get a new job, the very first thing that you need to do is get really clear on what you want. What is the kind of job that you're looking at? When you know what is the kind of job that you're looking at, look at the skills and qualification that is required for this kind of job, which is available today. That is why it's important to really research. So once you've decided that this is the kind of job that you're looking for, research the companies which are offering this kind of job opportunities. This is very easy today thanks to Google Baba. You can really look out and find various companies who are offering these kind of jobs. You can also learn from other peers and seniors who are going to do it. The third thing that's really important, once you get to know this is the kind of job I'm wanting, this is the industry that I want to employ, these are the companies that I've listed down where I'm going to really approach, then decide what has to be presented on your resume. Your resume should be highlighting all those things which are basically described in the job profile of a company. And I'm not telling to fake it. I'm saying prepare it so that when the employer looks into your resume, he can quickly find all those things which he is looking for. Faking is anyways not going to work because you will not be able to successful in the interview. And even if you get through, you'll not be able to perform. So I'm not talking about that. But when I have 10 things, what are those key elements that I want to highlight in my resume which comes into the eye of the interviewer because that is fitting my job requirement is what I'm talking about. So really tweak your resume as per the job requirement. Then it's about going to all the portals, job portals, and uploading your CV, mentioning all the current things that you wanted to highlight and put in an alert that you're looking out for options. The fourth thing that you need to do is get into this professional platform of LinkedIn. Not only update your LinkedIn profile, but also start networking with people which company you want to apply for, people the industry that you want to work for. Write to them, wait for them, and let them respond to you. But in that, it's really important to find out that the person that you're approaching in LinkedIn, how active he is on the platform. There are certain people whose profile is there and that's been there for ages, but they never look into that platform. Maybe 4 years, 5 years back when they were looking out for a job opportunity, they had just put in their details. So it's very important that you look into that person, how active he is on the LinkedIn. Or you will keep feeling sad and low that he didn't respond. But he doesn't even have time. Maybe he doesn't look into his profile for 1 month. You cannot wait for that long, right? So find the right kind of people. That is, it could be an HR profile, it could be a function head, it could be a location head where you're looking at, and these people whether they're active on that platform. And the final thing, prepare yourself when the call comes, when the interview comes. Do mock interviews with your friends, your seniors, hire an expert, your teachers if you're a fresher, but prepare yourself for the interview. So these are 5 tips for finding a new job. 1, get really clear what you want. 2nd, go out and do research. Which are the companies, which industry are offering the jobs that you really want. 3rd, important thing is design your CV accordingly. Then go and put your CV in all the job portals. 4th, join the LinkedIn platform. Really update your profile and then start networking with the kind of people who can give you these kind of job opportunities. And while you're finalizing those connections, find out whether they're really active on this platform. And 5th, be really prepared for an interview because that you don't want to miss if you get an opportunity. So all the best in your job search Do subscribe to my videos if you're liking them and you're learning and applying them in your life and it's really making a difference. Thank you very much for listening to me. See you the next time on the next video. Again, giving you tips on how to be successful in your career growth, in your career ladder in the corporate world. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.